A hoof abscess is the most common cause of lameness in horses. Vets have a saying that all lameness is due to pus in the foot unless proven otherwise. The lameness is often sudden and severe, with the horse reluctant to put weight on the foot. There could also be swelling of the affected leg, an increased digital pulse and heat in the foot. To poultice a hoof, you will need a licensed poultice such as Animalintex, some form of padding such as Veterinary Gamgee, and a cohesive bandage such as Equiwrap to hold everything in place. You will also need a hoof pick, hygienic sponge and a bucket to clean the hoof prior to poulticing, and a roll of duct tape. First, clean the hoof using a level teaspoon of salt per pint of previously boiled water. This will help prevent further infection from entering the hoof. To treat an abscess, the poultice should be applied hot. Place the Animalintex in a shallow tray with the plastic side facing up. Submerge in boiling water and allow to cool sufficiently to be able to squeeze out the water so it is damp rather than wet. Place the poultice on the sole of the foot with the plastic side facing upwards, and then cover with a piece of Veterinary Gamgee that has been cut to shape. Secure the poultice and padding in place using an Equiwrap bandage in a figure of 8 pattern across the sole of the foot. To finish, apply a few strips of duct tape to the sole of the foot to help keep everything in place. When treating an abscess, the poultice should be changed every 8 hours for the first 48 hours.